The 6-week Team Keto challenge has been absolutely amazing for me. I have lost 30 pounds and my energy levels are at an all-time high. My skin is clearer and just better than it has ever been. My hair is growing. And I have to say that this 6-week program has definitely prepared me for the rest of my keto journey and really made me feel like I know what direction to take. They really did make it so easy for people that are on keto, whether you are just starting or whether you have been doing this for years. They made it so easy for everybody to utilize their meal plan and their supplements, and the whole structure of the program is just absolutely amazing, and it would be foolish not to utilize their supplements and giving your body a quick, easy way of everything that it needs. I use their supplements every single day, and I couldn't imagine not having them in my journey at this point. And I definitely feel so pumped about what we are going to do next, because I feel like Team Keto definitely always wants to give you that next step.